Parameters can streamline your testing process and make it more efficient. Add parameters while creating new test cases or add them to an existing one using the Edit option. Imagine you are testing the login process in a mobile application. Traditionally, you would need to create separate test cases for each browser and device. But with parameters, that becomes much simpler. You can create a parameter for a device and then add several values to it. You can add up to 10 such parameters in a test case. When you start a test run, this test case will split into multiple identical copies of itself, one for each parameter combination. In this case, you will see 12 test cases. That's 3 times 4, 3 devices and 4 browsers. Please note, however, that the maximum test cases that can be created this way are capped at 1024. You can also use our API to work with parameters. You can create cases with parameters or update existing cases. Or you can even send test run results which are parameterized. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles and our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you would like to share with us, just drop us a message.